Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys 4xe in Stingray. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, remote start system, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8025.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.